Okay, we got the mouth marks so we can shape the chin and stuff and lower lip down. We want to shape that down. So we got that in here. We've marked it where we want to cut this out for the lip. We also have our block that's going to go in here. So we want to sand this down all around it. So that'll go in there good. So we're going to work on rounding this down, and I'll use my belt sander for this. So you can see how this rounds down by using your belt sander. So I'm going to continue to get this rounded down. We'll get this sanded down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions, please put them in my comment section of my YouTube and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.